It is a beautiful day today in Oregon, and I want to share with you guys some fun journaling tips that I do, and just some things I write down in my journals, and some fun quotes, and just fun things that we could do with no pressure, you know? Sometimes we put too much pressure on ourselves on what we should write in our journal, what should we draw on our journal, what should we, do? I don't know what to do. And it's just what you feel too, just kind of, it's your personal journal and you could put whatever you want. So today, or at the beginning right now, I want to show you guys, just talk with you guys some stuff that I journal in my journal. And then I will go over to my table with you guys and show you guys some stuff I journal. So let's get to it here. What I got is, I was writing down some fun inspirational thoughts, and then I got a daily quote. So this is just Tammy's thoughts. So keep moving forward is the best advice I can give myself. I love the journey of art, and every time I create something, I learn and grow. Knowledge is power. Learning from your mistakes is the best thing you can do. Listen to yourself, learn from it, and grow. That is all I can do to move forward. And that's true. I mean, honestly, you really just learn from your mistakes, if you want to call them mistakes, and just things that you're not happy with, and then just move forward, try something different, do a little different angle from it, or a different way to do something, and just move forward. And always remember to never give up. That's really the big key, is to just keep going, like, don't just be like, oh, I'm not going to do that, I can't do it, I'm done. No, I think you need to really just keep going, even if it's just sitting there and just doodling or just jotting down something, or, just drawing little circles or your name or things over and over, and just something in your journal or just on some paper, or, whatever you feel that you inspires you, Never lose hope and never stop exploring. Practice makes awesome. I mean, I love that quote. I think that's so great. It's true, because it really does, I mean, it doesn't make perfect, because there's what's perfect. What is perfect? What is perfect? So practice makes awesome. Pushing your boundaries, try new things, experiment. See what comes of it. Smile, sparkle, and shine. So my quote of the day is, art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time. Thomas Merton. Okay, so those are my thoughts of the day. I'll meet you guys over at the table. So I have some fun things out on my desk here, or my table, that I like to incorporate into my journaling. So the other day, we worked on our fun little, magazine. I showed you guys how to take a magazine and an Amazon packaging and make this fun little journal with it. So I will put that on the end screen. We'll make it a whole series here. And then I showed you guys how to lay out like a journal spread. Okay? So I have my fun little things that I like to do to write into my journals. And let's see here. So I show you some just basic things that I use. This is just a pen that I grabbed from my pen jar. And it's a SIGNO Uniball. It's red. I just wanted red. Okay, and then I have a jelly pen, or whatever those are called, the little jelly. Yeah, I think that's what they're called. Well, let me know in the comments. I think that's what they're called. Just a white one, because we have some fun black pages we can play on. Sharpie. You can do any color Sharpie, any thickness. We got different thicknesses here. I just have black. Okay. Oh, here I can tell you the size of it. It just says ultra fine point. Okay. And then this one is just a fine point. Just. Okay. And this one you can see there. Anyway. And this one is 0.5 micron. And it's just black. And then I got a gold paint pen. These are fun to play with. I like these. So that's going to be fun to put throughout. You can also do, my goodness, I have tons of these. Just the little puff paints. like, you know, the little 3D fabric paints. I have a whole kit. You can hear my dog drinking water. He's drinking water out there. So I have a whole kit of this. It's like a big box that you get a bunch of them. I'll try to remember to put that down in the links below. If I forget, let me know. Just write in the comments down below. Just comment and let me know. But yeah, maybe we'll play with some fun puff paint things, 3D paints. But the thing is that you got to do that last because you have to leave it open and let it dry overnight. That is my problem. I always touch it and smear it, and I make a big mess out of it. But another cool thing you can use these for is painting. Maybe we'll do that too at the end. Is just take any basic whatever. I just have cheap paintbrushes because I don't take care of them very well. And I'll go through and find some fun different colors we want to play with. I don't know if I want black, but maybe. And then we can paint them. Like we could put it down on the pages and do some paints in between. So painting and then acrylic paint. I mean, if you want to do, that's what we did the pages with too, is the background pages are all like a white acrylic and black acrylic. So, and then we got gold, but then I have a gold pen too. So just acrylic paints work great. You could do some red dyes. Those are fun. I know we're talking about journaling in it today, but it's always nice just to do maybe some decorative stuff around it too, you know. I just like giving you guys different examples here. So Rit dye, I've told you guys about it before in other videos. It's just a concentrate dye that's usually used for clothing, but it does any porous or fibrous or anything like that. It'll get into paper and all kinds of stuff. I mean, really, you can do napkins and you can go to town on all kinds of things. And I dilute it, put it in a squirt bottle, and you can squirt it around and make some cool splatters and stuff. Okay, so let's get to it. Here, I'll show you guys what I do. So I got my fun journal that I read to you guys at the beginning. I've been trying to do some just fun thoughts of the day that I have and a quote. And that's what I like to do in my journals. I mean, obviously, that's why I show you guys my journal, because this is how I do journal. So right here, you know, this is Tammy's thoughts and stuff. So this is just stuff that I've read out loud to you guys. And I like to go through Pinterest too and look at things on there. And one of them I was looking at the other night was 3-word quotes. And those are great. Those are fun to, oh, this is stuff I want to read next week. So don't look at that yet. So it's just pretty much quotes. I like to do fun quotes or some inspirational thoughts. Different things like that. That's my jam I like to do. But whatever you guys love to do, go for it. I mean, you know, just whatever your thoughts are. You know, even if you want to write, you know, I can write Tammy's thoughts and then just write out whatever I'm thinking. I mean, you can write your name. Just say blank thoughts, you know, write your name out and then just write whatever you're thinking. That's the cool part. So I'm going to go through and just get some fun thoughts down and some, you know, inspirational quotes that I like. And we'll come back. So I wanted to share with you guys what I just got in the mail. I know it's a little off subject here, but what I thought was really cool is my friend April sent me some little owl. Let's see. Maybe if I turn it like this, you can see better. Some owl stencils. She said that she ordered 2 sets of them on Temu, actually, accidentally, and asked if I would like them, and I'm like, yes, these are awesome. So I will definitely be doing a project with this. So thank you, April. Thank you, thank you. I mean, these are really cool. Look at this. So we have the love of owls, which are awesome. So these are really fun to play with. So I want to show you guys these real quick. So those are really cool. And then also on her envelope that she sent, there is some really fun bird stamps. So that goes with our bird theme that we're working on right now. So I took the stamps off, which they came off really easily. So awesome. So thank you for that, April. So now I want to include and just incorporate some little bird stamps throughout, so I can remember my fun little package that I got from April. So I'm going to continue, and then we'll come back and talk about everything. So I'm pretty happy here with what I got down so far. And we could do a quick just overview here. And this is just Tammy's thoughts. Give yourself permission and give yourself the freedom to slow down. We don't have to achieve everything all the time. Take time for yourself. Don't always worry about what others think. Just be you. Just remember, life is a journey, not a race. And then I stamped a little cute bird, put love yourself, and then took some of my white gel pen here and just went around the wording and stuff. I put down some of the stamps, which are really cute. And I put, believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. And it says, I'm always thankful for my family, my art, health, and these things mean the world to me. And of course, thankful for my friends. You are worthy of greatness. Take it one day at a time. Find things that inspire you. Create just to create. This is your creative journey. So I did just some inspirational stuff. So I think that's a fun little spread here. Explore. So I just did that with my alphabet stamps. Be your own unique self. Become a priority in your life, in your own life. Go out in nature, explore, take a deep breath, and just be. So this is believe. Sometimes you want to know the value of a moment, or sometimes you won't know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Dr. Seuss. Inspire others. Oh, right here I just did some non-legible words. They're not actual words. I just kind of went and did some scribbling and then went over it with my micron pen, or might have been the Sharpie. So I just kind of went over it. So inspire others. Keep moving forward. So I just did inspirational stuff. Learn from your mistakes, or learn from our mistakes, and don't give up. So these are just some fun little things here. Oh, and then I got this in the middle here. Creativity, not perfection. So we're not really going for perfection here. It's just to open your mind and just put pencil or marker or paint or anything just to paper and just explore and just create. I mean, really, this is just about creating and getting the therapeutical aspects of it all. Because, I mean, this is very therapeutical. So just, I mean, I don't know if I just made that word up. Therapeutical? I like that word. So, I'm deeming it so. So, it really is, though. I mean, you could just, and then create, fill your own mind with beauty, or fill your mind with beauty, go after inspiration, dream big. It's just so much fun. So much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please hit the like button. That helps me get out further for other people to see just, you know, different ways and different ideas. And it's always nice to peek into someone else's journal and just kind of see what they put down. Just, you know, so you can get some ideas and some your juices flowing and just, you know, just see what's in there. And it's always fun just to take a peek and see what other people are doing, and it's very inspirational. I mean, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.